Yes, we can go and claim the MetaMask airdrop, so make sure to stick until the end. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new. We jump straight into laptop. The first thing first is this page from Jupiter. As we see here, TGC Reward Season 2. So there is another airdrop. I will leave you the link down below to go and earn it. All you gotta do once you're there, check all of this, check the campaigns as we see here on the rewards, and go to TCG. By the way, you can still claim the Season 1 right here, so make sure to go and check it because you could be eligible for it, which I'm not. But you can go and check the TCC 2 and understand what it does. But basically, it is focusing on some trading. So just go and do $5. I know you got $5 on Solana. Make sure to go and trade $5 or $10 over on Solana, and you are good to go. But I will leave it down the link. Make sure go, of course, to swaps and all of that, but focus on the trading and at least sign up. Make sure to do it and do $1, $5 airdrop. You don't want to miss this. There's over 3 million already in rewards. Next up, we do have the Warden, as we see here, airdrop, which I'm not eligible. So this one is super simple. Simply go to the connect page right here, which I will leave you the link down below. Connect your wallet, and if you are eligible for it, you will see the allocation down below. So let me know your allocation down below. If you're not eligible, you will see it just like me right here to go and get all of the possibilities that you do have. So connect the wallet, good to go. And that it is super simple to go and do it. Not much that you need to go and waste your time on. As we see, easy procedure, click on next, your wallet is eligible or not. Next up, we also have the Rails airdrop, which it is now live. As we see here, there is no need to claim, everything goes into your wallet. So I will leave you this token contract address in the description down below of the video. Make sure to simply go and add it to your MetaMask. And how do you do it? Well, once you have copied it, you go to your MetaMask wallet right here. Then you will go over here to the three dots. You will click over on import token. You will click over here on the customizable token, copy and paste this one as we see right here. Click on forward and you will see whether or not you have received the airdrop or not. You will see it right here with the total token allocation, and if you did, congratulations, let me know in the comments below. Next up, I want to focus one thing on Gravity. As we see here, Gravity, we talked about it on every video, it's absolutely skyrocketing, 2.3 billion in the past 24 hours. It is a non-stop. Even if the market goes down, this is absolutely non-stop. They have $500 million in open interest. So this airdrop, it is gonna be huge. I really think this is gonna be a $1 token. There's 1 billion token. It's gonna be a $1 token for $1 billion market cap. Absolutely yes. I will leave you the link down below. I am still trading as we see here. I got a hype long as well as a link long, so the link will be down below. And by the way, right now, if you go and trade with them, you have a 10x multiplier on the altcoin multiplier right here. So if you trade altcoin like me, Link and Hype and Solana and all of those, you get 10% or 10x altcoin multiplier. So next week is gonna be juicy. Link will be down below. Make sure to go and grab them and participate, but they are absolutely flying in it. Now, talking about the MetaMask airdrop, you will see it right here. You are able to go and claim. So simply go to your MetaMask reward page. You will see that you have three criteria. One is an NFT, one is the linear reward, and then is another one for Nansen, I believe. Click on the linear reward and click on claim. As we see here, I got 143,000 Linea token, which at current time they're about $600, I think, 400, something like that. Will I keep it? Will I hold it or will I sell it? I will hold it, and let's see what Linea does, because I don't see there is point for me to go and hold it and or sell it at $400 right now. So I will want to go and see what Linea does in the next bull run. If it does reach 10 cents, that would be a dream. Of course, it is less than a cent now, you know it, but let's go and hope for the best. Let me know what you're gonna do in the comments below as well with your linear airdrop and how much you did receive. But thanks for watching, and I see you tomorrow. Ciao, guys.